Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Kraken. First, you have to log into your account, or if you don't have any account, then you have to sign up for a new account. You must need a verified account to buy or sell crypto on Kraken. Make sure that you verify your account with uh, valid information that you have on a valid document that issued by your government. Then step 2 is choose a payment method. You can go with Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, credit card, or your bank account. You just need to add those all of these that you are comfortable with to your Kraken account with the perfect and correct credentials of your payment method. Then step 3 is click buy button. You will find buy now button on the screen, somewhere on the screen, but uh, most of the time you will find at the bottom navigation bar you will find the transfer button. Simply click on the transfer button and you will find buy and sell button, where you just need to click on buy now button. After that, you have to choose the currency that you want to buy or sell. In this video we are going to show you that how to buy USDT or Tether. That means we just need to buy the Tether. We just need to select Tether from here, USDT. It's named Tether or USDT, whatever. These two are the same currency here, and then you just need to select them, and then after that you just need to enter the amount that you want to deposit or buy on your Kraken account. From here, just type the number that you want to buy. After that, you have to complete the payment. You just need to complete the payment with your real money. Here you will find the best convert rate according to the real time, and then it will collect the data, and here is the total amount. You will find the total amount, then you have to pay the amount that are prompted. Then after that, when you connect the bank account or the payment method with your Kraken application, you just need to swipe this button at the right to confirm the order, and it will take some times, and it will get paid from your payment method. You just need to give the permission to transfer the money to Kraken, and then you will find the amount that of the cryptocurrency USDT that you have ordered is now placed or delivered to your Kraken account. That's how you can buy USDT on Kraken easily. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.